and probably a lot of other encounters. I don't know about Vossic, but yeah, that thing is really good. It's better than A2 for certain things. But, of course, there are better rockets, like Steel Oracle. I also do wish. Okay, I'm not. See, the issue with no HUD is that I don't know how much super I have. That's a problem. My super is. Oh, you can hear when your super charges. That's gonna be huge. Okay, well, this is going to be kind of easy. I mean, no, it's not going to be super easy, but it's not going to be super hard. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I wasn't even playing it safe either. I was like doing a bunch of dumb shit. It's pretty. Not only is it a very easy Nightfall to solo, but it's really fun as well. That you just grab the relic and throw hella grenades because you got Daybreak on. Sure, but I'm not missing, dude. So that could just be happening. Sure, I'm on tier 5. Like, so yeah, I am. There we go, dude. There we go. No problem. Okay, I really don't want to be on Forge Master, even though I do prefer it. I'm not gonna know what my super beater's at. Nah, that's Scorched Earth. Forge Master lets you throw like, yeah, it just gives you like 6 hammers instead of 4, or I think 7 instead of 5. Oh my lord, bro. I'm the most clutch gamer ever known to man. I'm about to get to the freaking siege engine and then press Y and just switch guns and not have the part. Alright, do I have my grenade? I have to have my grenade. There's no way I don't. Doesn't make any sense. I gotta have my super. Muscle memory. It's Warhead? This gotta be Warhead. Oh yeah. I know when I'm holding Warhead, bro. I know the feel of it. Dude, I know exactly how Warhead feels up there. Go Curse Mystery. Bro. Bro. I strive to be that much of a pro at. Hold on. Bro, I just did the freaking no HUD thing first try. I'm just insane like that. That's crazy. Did the whole solo. Heart glitch is pretty elite, dude. I don't know. Dude, that muscle memory. Dude, I thought I was gonna brick at least one. Like I didn't think I was gonna hit it first try. And also, I didn't hear the super sound effect either time whenever I did that. Like that's another thing that's hard. I just kind of killed a bunch of captains until I'm sure what. Halfway through the grenade. Yeah, dude. Nah, dude, halfway through the grenade, halfway through the X meter. That's how I do it with this. I just like whenever I was doing that, I just tried to like envision the X meter in my head. And then whenever I got to half, I just did it.